Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 86 Dodge 318 automatic. You can see fuel gauge coming up, oil gauge coming up. Blinker to the left works. Blinker to the right works. Horn works. Wipers work. Let's see if the radio works. No, radio does not work. And I think there's a note on our checkover that the blower motor's working. Barely working, so I got a brake light on. I don't know if that's. But seems to run pretty good. Been sitting for quite a while out in western South Dakota. We bought it and we haven't had it for a while. I mean, it's been sitting for a while because we had to fix the front end. There, 318 runs nice and smooth. We tuned it up, put new plugs in it. Headlights work. It's going to need some exhaust work. I don't know if we'll get around to doing that or not, but it's no tailpipe on it right now. That says it right now. And the taillights work. So, pretty solid old truck. Seems to run good. Got good oil pressure. Doesn't seem to miss. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.